In today's video, if you want to see how to hang curtains that are too long for the space that you have, no sew, no cut, stay tuned and I will show you how to do that. Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. In today's video, I want to share with you if you have extra long curtains, how you hung them without cutting them short. So I have maybe over 30 windows in my home and I purchased some curtains for my breakfast room. I showed you guys the curtains before, but didn't realize I end up getting one too short. My cutting rod is hung for 96 inches, and I thought I had 496 inches, but apparently I picked up something wrong with I think it's 84 inches. And after taking the curtains out and washing them and hanging them up, I realized, girl, no you didn't. So back to the drawing board. I had to take them down and start all over again. So I went to Home Goods, and the only thing that I could find, plus I wanted to change the lightness of the curtain to let more light in. I didn't realize the other one kind of take away some of my light. So I end up getting, I think, 37-inch by 108. And I thought to move my curtains a little bit higher. Plus, you guys know that I sew and I could take it apart and do something different with it. But girl, I got a lot doing. I just want to get over with it. So I purchased these here, I think over the summer. They were $3.99, but I paid 99 cents for them. Some little simple tie backs, and I thought to embellish them at once, but I got too much going on here. I'm always building something. So I just decided, let me go ahead and use these and do a sort of tie back to show you how you don't have to do sewing or even curtain your curtains because you don't know when or which window, especially having high ceilings like I do. I think I have 30-foot ceiling in my family room alone. So this is how the curtain looks, and as you see, it's dragging the floor, and like I said, it is hung for 96 inches, and you see the distance up to the ceiling. It's an octagon shaped room that we're in, and it has cathedral ceilings. So that is, it came 4 panels. And guys, like I said, that's my problem was before. I always wash my stuff before I put it up. So I don't think I'll change that. So it was $39.99. And it's from this company right here. That's the company name. And I thought that was a good price for 4 pieces. And then the length of it is fabulous. So I'm going to show you eventually how I hung them. As you see, it's a sheer, has a design on it, and she looked fabulous. So now I finished washing them and I'm going to get ready to hang them in place. So let's do the darn thing. So this is the area that I'm going to hang them. Again, this is my breakfast room. And I'm doing this video just to show you guys that if you find something at a good price, it cannot you don't always look at it as a loss. Just think about how you could embellish or fix it. So as you see, this is how the length is. And it comes all the way down. But I am going to go ahead, hang them, and now that it's wet, I'm using my steamer to take out the wrinkles. It will help me much better because it is also wet. So these are the tie backs that I am going to use. And I am going to just bunch my curtains up like this, and then hold it in a bunch and pull it all the way down to the window sill, past the window sill, and then lift it back up so I could have a poof. See? Very elegant, very romantic. And I just think sexy also, because look like this curtain got waist, like waist for days, Coca-Cola bottle. So, like I said, pull it down right here, and then you lift to get, and you could also go back in and adjust and fix once you have everything in. This is just a demonstration that I am showing you. Go ahead and get that curtain if it's a good price, and you could still use it in your space, but just knowing how to properly hang them will give you that. This is the hook that I am going to use. Already had a hole back there for some other tie bags that I had. So all I'm going to do is just screw this in place. And once I wrap the tie bags around the curtain, I just hang it on the hook. And now I go to fluffing. So I am gonna it's just like when you put your shirt into your pants and then you want to give it a little give, so you kind of do a little adjusting and flapping. So that's all it is. So now my curtain rods, I actually thrifted them, and it was wood. I sprayed it silver, and I'm going to use one of the holes is a little bit too big, and I think that's why the person got rid of it. But girl, every spoil gotta be a style for me. So I use my glue gun, put a little glue in the hole of it. You could also use wood filler, but listen, most of us have glue guns, and it's just a simple fix. And it's in place right now. Seal around the screw. You could unscrew, screw it on. You could do the whole nine. So let me get the other end done. And this one I turn towards the camera so I could fully show it to you. And it's down in here, and it is very hot. So now I am going to put this in here. And it seemed like immediately it just snug tight, because you know it's metal you're putting it. The metal is a little bit cooler, so it enable the glue to dry faster. So this is the look of the curtains. Isn't it sexified? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's nice, right? Yeah. So guys, I hope you love this idea. Go out, get the length of the curtain you want, and just do the darn thing. You don't even have to have a sewing machine. And if I had to use a sewing machine, I know that's what I have knowledge in sewing. I could have taken it apart, put some gathers at the top, and still make it look fluffy and romantic. But I like this better because I have about 30 windows in my home, and I have very high ceiling. My downstairs alone, like in the basement, that's like what, 16, 17 foot tall. So I will find ways to use the curtain throughout the space. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching. Bye-bye.